Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some cute and fun items that I picked up over at DIYChoose. So, a big thank you to them for sending me the items. Before we jump in, if you could do me a couple of favors, click that like button and hit that subscribe button. Both of those will help me out a lot, so thank you very much. Okay, I'm just going to dive in. So I've got 3 items here. Let me move these out of the way, and I'm going to open this one first. Make sure I'm not cutting anything important here. Okay. And what do we have here? Ooh, if I can get them out. Okay. So what we have are these cute little butterfly stickers. So I've never actually done stickers before. I've seen them, but I've not actually done them. Let me see if I can get this package open so I can see what else is in here, because it looks like there's a couple of pages of them in here. Okay. Oop, the side of that is open. I guess I could have slid them out that way. All right, so we get this first page and then this second page here with all these different kinds of butterflies. So I'm going to put that back the way it was before they all escape and go everywhere. Okay, so we get a standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our butterfly stickers, and as you can see, they're round drills. So I'm always looking for kind of cute off the canvas items, and like I said, I've not really done any stickers like these before. These were $2.79, and we've got 9 different colors. So let's look at our colors. We've got yellow, we've got black, of course, we've got some white, some red, some orange, some kind of bright blue, a brown, a green, and then a dark red. So yeah, again, I just thought these would be really cute, fun, fast projects. And actually, these would be, I think, a good project for, like, if you have kids or grandkids, or just, you're even around kids. I mean, I know this is something with some supervision, of course, that even my preschoolers could do. Not really little kids, because the diamonds are so small and I can see them eating them. But if they're being supervised, then I could see I could also see the preschoolers being bored with it after 5 seconds, but you never know. Okay, and let's see, I told you how much those were, so let me set these aside. Okay, and then, you guys, I got these. These looked really fun. So, not something I normally would have gotten, but they just looked really fun. So if I can get them out of here. So they're like little garden planter things, and I guess you can suction cup them to the bottom if you want, but I got them because I wanted to do like little garden stakes with them. Now, how do you attach them to the planters? I guess there's no holes or anything, so I guess you just tape it. And then these would be on the bottom, so you could stick them anywhere you wanted, or you could stick the sticks down in like a plant, is what I thought I would do with them. So they're these 2 cute little frogs, and you only diamond paint one side. So, but yeah, I thought they were super cute. So, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. You do get a couple of baggies, and you get the two dowel rod sticks with the little suction cups. And then, of course, the 2 frogs. And let me open the drills here. These were $6.09. Ooh, got some special drills. So let's look at our rhinestones. We've got 9 different colors of rhinestones. We've got a dark green, a very light green. Ooh, that's a very pretty dark turquoise. A light turquoise. Just a regular green, a very pale turquoise. Orange, a very dark orange, and another green. So some interesting colors there. And then let's see what we've got for our special drills. We've got some small white pearls. We've got some blue pearls. We've got some larger green crystals. We've got some gold, some yellow pearls, and some large green marquise shaped. So cool. Again, I thought this would be just another cute, simple, fun project, and you know, something that is decorative but also, I was going to say useful. I don't know how useful it is, but it's decorative anyway. So you can see here they've got them kind of put in these little flower pots. I was going to put mine like outside in the garden. So that's what I plan to do with mine. So let me move all that off to the side and open this last one because this one is a little bit bigger. Okay. And this one, ooh, this is a very stiff canvas. So it's rolling pretty good, but it is very stiff. All right, so you get a boat, plate of wax, pink pin. It does come with a 4-placer multi-placer, and it is a larger plate of wax because this is a larger kit. You can see this is actually a square kit. Oh, it actually has the DMC codes on the bag, so that's good. And then it's this cute little bear. So this is a 40 by 40. So let's measure. It is 35. I'm going to guess by 35, but let me measure. Yep, 35 by 35. And it's just this adorable little bear. And holding a rose that says "for you." Now, again, I'm always a little bit hesitant to buy when they have writing on it, but since it was square and it was a bigger size, I thought it would be okay. So, it's nice and sticky where you need it to be. We do have a schematic on both sides. We've got 27 colors, and it does have the DMC codes on it, so love that. In looking at it, I don't see the drill field symbols look nice and clear. I don't see anything that looks like it would be hard to do. There is a bit of confetti in the flower, of course, and a little bit of confetti sometimes in the background. Weirdly, this background is a Z, which is the white. So, but it's really just kind of on the edges and then little hearts on the inside, so hopefully that won't be too bad. Let's open up our drills and see what we get here. All right, for our drills, 27 colors. Let me find the beginning here. Okay, so there are some dimples on the back. I'm trying to look and see if I see like tabs on the drills. I see a couple, but they don't look bad. Okay, so we've got this kind of pink, a dark purple, olive green, mocha brown, another like little bit darker green. Ooh, and then that watermelon berry pink that I love, a chocolate brown, a gray, and then are those all the same color? Yes. So 3 bags of this pink, which I'm going to guess is probably part of the background. Is it? Yes. So that's part of the background. A dark brown, another kind of little bit darker pink, a bright green. Ooh, it's a very vibrant violet. A dark brown, a light peach. There's another kind of dusky pink. And then we have 2 bags of this kind of, I don't know, tannish brown, nondescript brown. And then we have these colors. So we get, whoops, we get kind of a purplish pink. We get a very light kind of purple pink, kind of a rose color there. a very, very light mauve. And then we have another brown, kind of an orangish brown. That's a weird color. A very kind of dark reddish brown, a dark brown, a gray, and then we have, wow, only 3 bags of white. So that's actually a lot less white than I would have thought, given the size of the painting, it being a 40 by 40, but yeah, I think this one will be really cute when it's worked up. Let's see if I can figure out how to fold these all. I'll do it after I'm done. And this one was $7.09. So we've got our cute bear in squares. We've got our adorable little butterfly stickers. And then we have our very cute little frogs on a stick. So our little garden decorations. I will put links in the description box below to all of these so you can check them all out for yourself, along with anything else you might see while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching.